Hi mga kolekalo fellow collectors, Ronnie Boy here, and this is Ronnie Boy Comics. Tingnan natin yung Marvel solicitation for the month of December 2025.
Ayan mga collect. So tingnan natin itong Marvel free previews para sa December 2025 shipping. This is number 49. So makikita nyo dito sa cover yung Ultimate Endgame number 1. Dennis Camp, Third Dodson, Jonas Sharf. Ang cover na to ay kay Mark Brooks. Ito yung solicitation for the month of December from Marvel Comics. Tara, buksan natin. So, sabay-sabay natin tingnan tong previews na to. So, we have here Captain America number 6 from Chip Zdarsky. Si Chip Zdarsky nagsulat na rin for Batman. Ayan, si Chip Zdarsky. So, this is Ultimate Universe 2 years in. Ayan, number 1. Ayan, this is from Dennis Camp and Alex Pacnadel. Ang cover niya ay kay Ryan Stegman. Sabi dito, in preparation for the Marvel's return in Ultimate Endgame, so babalik raw si Maker, the Ultimate Guardians have been traveling all across time and space, recruiting members new and old. Many characters raw for this issue, including si Ultimate Daredevil. Next, Ultimate Black Panther number 23, Ultimate Spider-Man number 24, yung pinakasikat na ultimate na title from Marvel, tong Ultimate Spider-Man. So marami nakagusto dito. This is number 24 from Jonathan Hickman and ang artist ay si Marco Checchetto. Ultimate X-Men number 22, ang writer nito ay si Peach Momoko, artist siya din, si Peach Momoko din, interior art. Ultimates number 19 from Dennis Camp. Ultimate Wolverine number 12, Chris Condon, Alessandro Capuccio. Ito na yung Ultimate Endgame. Yung Blind Bag. Okay, so nakalagay dito, True Believers Blind Bag, art by Rodriguez. Ultimate Endgame number 105. So another title from the Ultimate Universe. But this time, limited series naman siya. Okay? From Dennis Camp, Third Dodson, yung kanina. Okay? Yung Ultimate Endgame. Mga variant covers kay Cafu, kay Chip Zdarsky, kay Dan Panosian, Alexander Lozano, Peach Momoko, Sanford Green, Scotty Young. So, meron din Ryan Stegman. So, yung black and white virgin variant kay Scotty Young. Blue line variant. Blank variant cover also available. Yung blank variant. Ang True Believers blind bag. Yon, so meron din blind bag for Ultimate Endgame. Actually, si DC meron din. May blind bag din si DC. So, variant cover by Chip Zdarsky. Variant cover by Peach Momoko. Ultimate Endgame. Mukhang kay Mark Brooks to. Tama, Mark Brooks. Ayun. Siya yung artist. Ultimate Endgame. At yung mga Derek Chu, variant cover. Foil. Variant cover by Dan Panosian. Okay, X years from today. So, sa X-Men naman tayo, we have Rogue Storm 3 of 3, limited series. Expatriate X-Men number 3 of 3, another limited series. X-Men Revelation, The End. Jed MacKay yung writer. So last issue doon sa limited series na yon. 3 of 3 pa rin kay Laura Sabertooth, Last Wolverine, Amazing X-Men number 3. Ano pa ba? And Deadpool. Yan. Binary. Unbreakable X-Men number 3 of 3. Atlantis Under Siege. Radioactive Spider-Man. Cloak or Dagger number 3 of 3. Puro lang. 3 issue limited series lang, no? Okay. Ayan. Age of Revelation X-Vengers number 3 of 3. Omega Hates number 3 of 3. Long Shots. Bakit may asterisk doon? May asterisk na nakalagay doon. Ayan. So, Long Shots number 3. Iron Frost number 3. No Heart, No Hope, No Future. X-Men Age of Revelation finale number 1. 40 pages. Okay. Writer si Jet McKay. Muse to Astonish number 1. Steve Orlando and more. Ayan. Okay. Tapos ang artist si Ken Nimura and more pa rin. Front cover Peach Momoko. Sorcerer Supreme number 1. The Sorcerer Supreme is dead. Long live the Sorcerer Supreme. Doctor Strange number 1. Okay. Stranded. Okay. Angela to, no? Si Angela. Si Angela, originally to, nasa Image to Comics, hindi sa Marvel. Nalipat lang siya ng Marvel. Una lumabas to sa Spawn number 9. Kung di ako nagkakamali, first appearance yan. Ayan, Doctor Strange, ayun si Angela. Wiccan, Witches Road number 105. Something Wiccan This Way Comes. Ayan, Witches Road. Ito pala yung cover niya. Lucas. Oh, so ito yung pirma ni Lucas Werneck. Hanggat kaya ko i-memorize yung mga pirma at saka yung style ng pagdodrawing ng mga artists, yon, minamemorize ko siya. Para sa unang tingin pa lang, alam mo na, oops, ito yung pirma ni Lucas Werneck. Yan, mga ganun. Kasi parang initials yung lumalabas. Yung iba kasi buo, like Harvey Tolibao, Segovia, makikita niyo yung mga pangalan nila. The Wheel of Doom, I believe this is after nung One World Under Doom. Captain America number 6, Cap returns to present day for an all-new era. Character designed by Valerie Chitty, Captain France, Red Widow, The Star, Captain Kingdom, okay. The End, 2099, number 105. Ito interesting to. Ito na interesting to. Kasi si 2099. Ayan, si Miguel O'Hara. Tingnan natin. From the ashes of Age of Heroes, new generation of vigilantes like Spider-Man 2099, Nova 2099, Red Hulk 2099 emerge in the dystopia that followed to forge a bright new future. A future that has come to an end in the face of Abyssius. A horrifying fusion of null-infected Galactus. Ayan. One future ends, another begins. 3099, the end of 2099. Marquez. David Marquez yung cover. Ito yung mga dapat ito yung feeling ko, isa sa mga i-add ko sa collection ko for December. The End 2099 number 1. Ako Smash Everything number 105 from Ryan North. Guaranteed smash hit. Cover, Adam Kubert. Okay. Venom 252. Oy! Itong Venom 252, naisama ko na siya doon sa FOC natin. There are times sa papagay yung FOC natin, but ang release pa nito ay December. So doon sa mga nag-order ng Venom 252, maraming salamat. Ayan. Ito, Joey Vasquez. This one is from Carlos Gomez. Ayan. Ito may mga umorder nito kay Corey Smith, kay RB Silva. Ito Planet She-Hulk number 2, Stephanie Phillips, Black Panther Intergalactic number 104, o bagong series to. So for those who are looking for issue na mag-i-start sa number 1, ito meron, Black Panther Intergalactic number 1. So if you're a fan of Black Panther, bago sa mag-try ito, Intergalactic Emperor of Wakanda, T'Challa, the King of Wakanda, faces the challenge of uniting all of his kingdom on Earth and in the stars before he can begin. Though someone or something still seem away to a mysterious planet where the Black Panther must fight for his life. Shuri, his sister, works to find him, but with the king and princess distracted, will someone else seize the title of Emperor of Wakanda? Nova Centurion number 2 from Jed McKay. X-Men of Apocalypse number 204, Simone Di Mayo. Where it all began. Stephen Platt. Ito yung may pirma na Splat. Ayan. So, nakilala ko to. Una ko na encounter yung gawa niya sa Image Comics. Ayan. Ang angas ng cover. Panalo to. Another Platt cover. Stephen Platt. Nakalagay dito, variant cover to ni Stephen Platt. Tapos meron ding kay Jomad. Ayan. Nasaan yung kay Jomad? Jomad. Ito, variant cover by Jomad. Ayan. 7076, number 12-5. Kay Straczynski, kay The Future Be Safe, 7076. Daredevil Punisher, number 12-5. Ayan. Infernal Hulk, number 2. Philip Carity Johnson, PKG, writer. Ayan. So, this is number 2. Ano pa nandito? Countdown to issue number 1,000. O, doon sa mga fan ni Spider-Man, eto na. Ano pag-uusapan dito ng mga kakolekt natin kapag nagpupunta sa tindahan? Oh, by the way, meron nga pala tayong tindahan, Ronnie Boy Comic Store, dito sa Imus. So, if you wanna drop by, just let me know. Marami tayong mga comics doon. Meron din Spider-Man. And napag-uusapan to, sabi ko nga malapit na mag 1,000 issue. Issue number 1,000, tong Amazing Spider-Man. So, we have here, legacy number 983 na. This coming December, 984. So, dalawang issue for the month of December. Spider-Noir, number 305, Eric Larsen, from Image Comics to. Ano ba yung ginawa niya sa Image? Savage Dragon. Amazing Spider-Man Tour number 305. Okay. Nasa page number 57 na tayo. We also have this one, Miles Morales, Spider-Man number 41, Cody Siglar. Black Cat number 5, G. Willow Wilson. Spider-Girl number 7. Spider-Man 94, number 4 or 5. Only Spider-Gwen Ghost Spider, number 5. From Stephanie Phillips, Caught in Her Web. Uy, Craven Unleashed. Ayan. Spider-Man Wolverine, number 8. Marvel Winter Break Special, number 1. Marvel Zombies, number 4 or 5. Red Band. Ayan. The Punisher, Red Band, number 4 or 5. Pag sinabi kasing red band, nakalagay explicit content. Ayan. So, yun. In-explain niya na doon. Marvel, Black, White, and Blood, and Guts. So may dagdag na word. Ayan. Marvel Knights number 3. Punisher number 3 of 4. Fantastic Four number 6. The Invisible Woman, part 1. Humberto to, no? Humberto Ramos to, saka Delgado. Tama ba? Tingnan natin. Bye, TBE. Nasaan si Humberto Ramos? Hindi ko makita. Ayun, Humberto Ramos. Okay. So, I believe this is the regular cover. Malapit na matapos. Spirit of Violence, number 3 of 5. Avengers, number 33. Bilisan na natin. I think maubos na yung memory nete. So, we've got few more minutes. New Avengers number 7. Battleworld number 4 or 5. Thor number 5. Mortal Thor number 5. Strange Tales number 3 of 4. Undead. Uy, Wes Portacio to. Covered by Wes Portacio. Undead Iron Fist number 4. Feast of Khonshu, Moon Knight. Number 15. Fantastic Four, number 12, Facsimile. Civil War, number 5. Ito yung Facsimile din. Rivals. Doon sa mga naghanap ng Rivals, meron tayong Marvel Rivals, Ignite in Color, number 1. Ayan. Peach Momoko. Ayan. Ano pa ba? Predator Kills the Marvel Universe, number 5. Of 5. Alien vs. Captain America, number 4 of 5. Number 2 pala, sorry. Number 2 of 4. Cover by Lainil Yu. Kalagay. Ayan. Star Wars Han Solo. Hunt for the Falcon number 4 of 5. We also have Star Wars Jedi Knights. Boba Fett. Black, White, and Red number 4 of 4. Star Wars. Ang mga Star Wars na to. Star Wars number 8. Legacy of Vader number 11. Stormbreakers. Ayun. Ito mga collected editions na to.
Yun yung ating video for Marvel solicitation for the month of December 2025. Alam nyo mga collect, maganda rin na inaalam natin kung ano yung mga parating na comic books. Kahit pa October pa lang yun, tapos December pa parating, para una nakikita natin kung ano yung mga kokolektahin natin na comic books, kung ano yung mga ipi-pre-order natin sa FOC. And also, para mapagandaan din natin yung budget. So, yun muna for now. Please like and subscribe. Ingat po kayo palagi. And as always, enjoy collecting comics. See you again in my next video, only here on Ronnie Boy Comics.